Has this ever happened to you? Probably. If you're a connoisseur of vintage computers, um, more specifically old Compaqs, like this Compaq LTE 25C, you've probably had one with broken hinges. Well, I think I might have found a really good repair, and it doesn't look great, but that is a good repair because a lot of times JB Weld and epoxy just doesn't hold it very well, especially when it like completely rips out of there. Go to Harbor Freight, get yourself one of these plastic welders. So basically, I'm using some of my auto body expertise I use at work at home. So I have this little plastic welder, a little bit of ABS filler rod, like oop, okay, that thing's. Anyways, I got a little bit of ABS filler rod, and you can just basically stick her right. You can just melt that right all together. You can see she's starting to crack just a little bit here. That side completely pulled out. It's because these hinges get ruined. And sometimes you can take even if it's just starting to crack, you can sometimes take the hinges and this is all sorts of compact models have this problem from this era. You can sometimes just take the hinges and heat them up, quench them in some oil, like some penetrating oil, maybe Aerocroil or something, or well, usually most likely like motor oil, and you can get it to not really crack anymore. But well, sometimes it'll just completely come apart. Now on some of these laptops before, I've actually gone as far as to, I've tried JB Well and that didn't work. I've gone as far as to drill holes and run machine screws and bolt it directly to the lid. But I think this repair is a lot better than that. So anyways, if you got an old Compaq, try it out. That's the side that came off. That'll bolt right up. I'll have to clean that up with a file or the Dremel a little bit, but that'll work.